Hi there, I'm Lynn from Arrow Sewing, and I'm here to show you how to use your 3-position hydraulic sewing lift on your brand new sewing cabinet from Arrow Sewing. Hydraulic lifts are all about two things, comfort and convenience. With a 3-position hydraulic sewing lift, you're now able to sew in either a free arm or flatbed sewing position, which we all know and love. And also, permanently house your sewing machine in a storage position when your sewing cabinet is not in use. It's our most popular sewing lift, and I'll walk you through how to move between each position. Your sewing lift comes set in a free arm position, which means it lays even with the rest of the work surface. To move your sewing lift and sewing machine into a flatbed, you'll simply push down on the platform until it clicks once. And that click is good. This means your position is set. It's in the flatbed sewing position that allows you to slide in a custom acrylic sewing insert to create that completely flush work surface. To move your sewing machine into storage position or back into a free arm position, you'll simply push down until the lift clicks again. How cool is that? Once in the storage position, another push down and your sewing lift will return to its original free arm sewing position. Voila, it's that easy. In case you have a larger sewing machine, you may need to adjust the platform height to achieve a perfectly flush flatbed sewing position. This is an extremely simple process, and we made a couple of quick videos to help you make that adjustment. If you need to adjust the platform height on a sewing cabinet from Kangaroo Sewing Furniture, please watch this video. And if you need to adjust the platform height on a sewing cabinet from Arrow Classic Sewing Furniture, please watch this video. For all other questions about your 3-position hydraulic sewing lift, please contact Arrow Sewing's customer service team. For information on how to use your 2-position manual sewing lift or our luxury electric sewing lift, please check out these videos. Have a great day and happy sewing!